What's up, you guys? Wanted to give a little update on the E-Ride Pro SS. I've got 430 miles now on mine. Bike is still working great, no problems. You can see some things like grip ends starting to wear a little bit. I actually have a little rip in my seat cover now. You know, a couple little scratches on the frame and whatnot, but nothing major. I just went through and tightened all of my spokes. I had to get a spoke wrench off of Amazon that was bigger than a mountain bike size. Spokes were definitely getting loose. I got a new rear tire on here. This is a Shimano 520A. These are the 19-inch wheels, of course. I also have replaced my back brake pads now twice. First ones, I wore them out, the stock ones. I then upgraded, or I got a replacement set from Amazon, and they were really cheap, but they were really loud and squeaky. So I'd seen some other people on YouTube talk about upgrading SurRon brake pads, and they got the I read the Shimano ones were good. I'll link down here and tell you which ones I bought, but I wanted to say that I did have to modify them. You can see they have these like fins on here, and I had to actually chop off a couple of the fins to clear that hose connection. So if anyone knows of any other, or what the best brake pads upgrades for the E-Ride Pro are, I'd love to hear that in the comments. These ones so far work really great. I just, like I said, had to modify them, so I don't think that's a good solution. But yeah, bike is still sick. I have taken off the brake sensors. That was super easy, and I really like it now without those on there. I'll probably be getting a new front tire soon. Let's see. I'm pretty happy with the gearing. I think it's a good balance of, you know, torque versus top end speed for what I like to do. I'll probably end up getting some like ODI grips here soon. But yeah, still loving it. If anyone, I'm trying to figure out if the big Chai battery will fit this bike. I think it's like the Titan, like 50 something amp hour. So if anyone knows, or if anyone's done that, would love to hear about it. So yeah, that's the bike. We'll be doing maybe a 500-mile review here soon. If anybody has any questions, let me know. And y'all have fun, stay safe.